is a brief overview on how to assign lessons to students in iReady. We're going to focus on iReady reading Spanish, but this can also be replicated for English and for math. The reason that we will focus for Spanish is that all teachers do need to start assigning lessons from now on. So you will go to Assess and Teach, you will go to Instruction, and you will select your subject. Like I said, Spanish reading, I'm going to click on Reading. Have your diagnostic data ready so you can assign to students specifically. So in Phonological Awareness, for example here, all the ones that are green, you can assign first grade lessons. And the ones that are yellow, you can assign kinder lessons. You will be seeing only your classroom. So I'm just going to select one of the campuses so I can show you in the overview how to assign it. Now, there are 6 domains. Not all of the domains belong in all grade levels. So I'm going to be doing Spanish. That way it will take all the English lessons out. And in the domain, let's start with Phonological Awareness. Now, Phonological Awareness doesn't go after first grade. So if your student is in any grade level and they did take the Phonological Awareness, they will be in a K or in a first grade level. So let's say that your student is in first grade and it's at K level. You can just type K here and it will sort only the extra K. It says extra K because it's not a pathway. Those are just the lessons that they have. And the suggestion will be select the first 3 lessons in that domain. For the next domain, let's say Phonics. That student, it's also in K here. So let's just focus also on the first 3 lessons in Spanish for Phonics. For vocabulary, let's say that the student, it's at first grade level. So you will see, and you will also grab the first 3 lessons. That's a total of 9 lessons. You're only able to assign up to 10. So if you do want to go ahead and assign a comprehension one, let's do so. And let's grab the first one for kindergarten. You will click on Assign Lessons. In this pop-up, you will select your students. Now, since it's individualized, not all students are in the same level from the diagnostic. So I will say individually do the students, unless you can group them and you can see that in some domains they are in the same level, then you can assign lessons to multiple students. For this, I'm just going to click Students. I'm going to go Next. I'm going to select on one student and then click Next. This will assign the lessons that I selected here for the student, but you do need to put the availability date. If you click individually, it will take you longer. I will say click here, same for all day, and click on the first day. That makes it available immediately. If you want to put a due date, then you will click here and you will also put all the same. So this is the way that you do it. After you assign those 10 lessons, keep in mind that you assign the first 3 for the first 3 domains and 1 for the comprehension. Next time that you assign, let's say in a couple of weeks, you can select the next 3 for the same 3 domains and add another comprehension. That way you're assigning 10 lessons at a time every 2 weeks.